So this is the main cause of our problems, that the rulership that the Father has set into the world, the way he wanted the world to be ruled, we have fallen away from that divine order twice in succession. First in the garden with Adam and his wife, and then at the call of Israel as a nation, Israel dropped the ball again. Alright? And so it fell back into Satan's hand. So what the Father has done, he sent his word. Then he linked up with the flesh, born of a virgin. He sent his own word, called the Son, to reclaim the rulership of the earth back into his hands, and out of the hands of Satan. And those are the main ideas that we're looking at when we talk about the name and the nature of world conflict. The losing of the rulership of the earth from Adam and his wife, from Israel as a nation, to being reclaimed, the rulership of the earth being reclaimed by Yeshua, the Lamb of the Most High. These are the principal ideas that we're dealing with. So we understand then that because of the fall of Israel, that the whole world has been operating illegally. Everything has been operating illegally. And so because of that, even though the Father has still retained Israel as the nation that would be the rulers and the leaders of the world, Israel is in a fallen state, a fallen condition right now. And so the nations have despised Israel. They're not looking to Israel as to be the leader. And therefore we have the world in a state of illegality. It's operating illegal. In fact, Job 9 and 24, I think it is, says that the earth is given into the hand of the wicked. That's where we are right now.